Yes, they do. The road is closed. Last night we had a huge thunderstorm with rain, and it flooded our street. So we're gonna go take a look. Me and Nicholas are venturing down. There's a rock in your shoe. Oh no. We're gonna go see how deep it is. It almost engulfed my dad's car. There was kids playing. They just wanted to be splashed by the cars.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, your gosh.
Still even going down.
Are you ready?
Look, the sewers are entirely full. The entire sewer was full.
Got some flooding happening over here. All right, are we ready? We're gonna see how deep it is. Got my shoes on. Got our feet going. All right. Woo, it's nice and cold. Thank God it's somewhat warm. Oh, here we go.
All right, my feet are kind of floating.
Your feet are kind of floating?
The Crocs have like...
Oh, it's getting deeper, guys. Oh boy. How deep are we now?
It's entirely covering my Crocs.
It's entirely, oh my heavens. Ah! We're just going on, you know, one of our summer adventures. Holy, oh, whoa, now.
Look at the Crocs.
Look at all my mosquito bites from up at the trailer.
Look at the Crocs. Look at the curb, no? It's like entirely submerged in that.
Yep, the curb is entirely submerged.
Oh my gosh, this is insane.
This is insane, guys.
I can barely even walk. I can't even see the ground. No.
Nope, I'm getting stuck.
There's not people getting through here just fine.
They're actually driving.
It's literally, it's starting to tip. Because my Crocs are so light.
Yeah, are you starting? Okay, ready? Oh my God, I'm ankle deep.
Well, I'm actually over ankle deep. It's deep beside it. And it gets even worse.
Do you think it's gonna get worse?
Like, look.
Oh, I think you're right. Oh heck, it is getting deeper.
I can't see the ground, dude.
Do you want to see how a car goes through? One might be.
Hopefully.
Oh my.
They may not be trying to go. Yeah, they're turning. No, they're... I don't want to be splashed.
Then come over to the side.
Well, that's still going to be getting splashed. I can't even see the
Oh.
ground.
Yeah, I just tripped on the grass.
Yeah, there's a grass right there. Oh, it's not wrong.
Ah! That's what the kids were waiting for. Okay, ready? You have to pull up your shorts?
Slightly.
Ah! We have our own little river going on right now. All right, well, now that I'm like shin deep, Nicholas and I just thought we'd come and show you how this is the second street that is flooded. They're working on a street that way to get rid of the flooding there, and then they'll come down to our street.
And this is the first time I've ever seen the entire road flooded.
Yeah?
Watch it. There's another truck. There's a truck that way coming.
Yeah.
And it gets deeper from here. Well, I guess I'll have to wash off my Crocs eventually.
Well, no, this is a good thing. Our shoes are getting nice and clean.
Oh, there's dirt on asphalt. They're driving slowly.
Yeah, Grandpa did too. I swear he didn't make hardly any waves at all.
Oh. It feels like an ocean here. This is the deepest I've ever seen the water on South Street before.
Me too.
This is the most flooded.
All right. Well, guys, This has been fun, quite an adventure. Not sure how long the flooding will last. As I trudge my way through it, wow.
The sewers are actually clogged up.
Yes, that's what that gentleman is doing. He's trying to clear his sewer.
Well, no, I think they're full. Like they're over full.
Yes.
It's hard to walk, right?
It is.
Oh, and the water looks like really warm. Crap. Somebody. What are you doing?
Just one last film through on our little adventure. Take care, everyone.